Top of the morning, my creatives. It's your girl, Tina. So glad you returned back to the channel for another video. And I'm here to announce a new journey. Y'all know your girl always up to something. Can somebody tell him thank you? Let's dive in. So, I am going to participate in a one-on-one swap for 3 months. Tamika, who is Scrapdaworld here on the YouTube, reached out to me and asked if I would do a one-on-one 3-month swap with her, where we're going to swap kits. You create with the kit, and then you do a reveal video to show what you have created. We will start this journey in December, and so on December the 6th, we will pop off with our first swap reveal. So this swap will start December and it will run January and it will climax in February. Let's dive in and see what she sent me in the December kit. Excited, excited. All right, so we got her. This is Tamika, Scrapdaworld. If you're not familiar with her, hit that search engine. Look at this nice little what is this called? Tag. Love it. And it says holidays right there. Traditional colors. And this whole package just smells good, y'all. It just really smells like the holiday. Oh, y'all know I like to see my name and my initial. Look at the T. And honey, it's gold. My favorite metallic color. And the veil actually makes some noise. Thank you, Tamika. All right, so there was no limits. There was no guidelines on what we put in the kit. We just had to put some stuff in the kit to create with. And so our first project that we're creating is a gift tag, a shaped gift tag. That is December's project. So she had to send me a kit to create the gift tag with. So let's start off with the flowers. She got her stuff so elegantly labeled. I'm telling you. So we got flowers here. North Pole Express special delivery. Oh, that's too cute. I like that and I want to use that. So we're not finna tear that. I'm going to use that in my December daily. That is too cute. All right, so let's open this gently. How about, Tina, you just cut it? That way I know I'll be able to use that in my December daily. So we have flowers. Oh yes. I love this right here. I like this kind of carrying on. Love the berries with the little snowflakes on it. Oh, the little frost. I love that. Oh, yes. Thank you, Tamika. All right, we got some berries in gold with the leaves. Thank you, ma'am. And the green. So it looks like she went all traditional colors. We have some red flowers, the little tiny baby ones. And ooh, I love this too. I love these little picks. So we got the berry picks. And these are 2 different types of berries I love. So we got the more shiny that you can make it a more elegant look. And then you have the berries that's like a rustic outdoor look. Love that. And then she sent me some poinsettias. Too cute. All right. So here it says a clip. We got another one of those stickers that I like. Let's make sure we don't tear that. Cutting. Oh yeah. December daily. All right. Put that there. So she sent me some clips to use on my tag. I love those. These are cute. And this is like the check, right? The buffalo check. I guess that's the look of it with the green, red, and the white. I love those. Thank you, Tamika. All right. We got ribbons. A whole bag of ribbons. I got another one of these beautiful stickers. Oh, yes. It's 31 days in December, honey. I will use all of these North Pole stickers in my December daily. All right, let's see what we have here. Okay, we got a black and gold ribbon. Thank you. We got the green Christmas tree trim. Oh, I like that. Okay. Oh, now this one I got to take off. This is a truck. I love this already. All right. We got the Christmas tree truck. I love that. Okay. We got some buffalo check. Black and white. And I do like using a little black in my holiday journal and stuff. So we got the red and black wire trim. We got some more. Let's see. I got to cut this because I can't. I want to see what this is. All right. This is like a piece of twine. Oh, but I like the... Oh, yeah, with the snow speckles on it. I like that. Let me see if I could find something that you could really see. Yeah, I like. Oh, yes. Y'all see that? I like that. Thank you, ma'am. Oh, yeah, I got visions with that one. All right. We got some red and white twine. We got some more of the red and gold. She gave me some black and gold, and then she gave me some red and gold. Yes, I'm gonna love those two. Then we got some glitter trim, and we got some black and white trim. Honey, this kit is just filled, baby. Oh my goodness, we making one tag, Tamika. Then she gave me a mix. Oh, she gonna challenge me now. This is a mix. A holiday mix, black, got red, gold, and white. And then you got some green in there. You got reindeer, stars. You got the little snowball balls. Yes, thank you, ma'am. I'm telling you, I'm trying to look for what's this that's smelling so good. Whoo, doodads. So we got all kind of doodads. I'm not going to, yes, I am. I'm going to open them. And I know once I open them, that's going to be it. They're going to be everywhere. I really don't want to do that, but I want to see because it looks like a variety of doodads that's in here. All right. I hope Tamika like my little my little kit. It was not like this. All right, so we got the flare buttons, number 2. Okay, we got a wreath. Love that. A little puff, cocoa and marshmallow. We got the snowman cocoa puff. And then another cup of hot cocoa. These are puff stickers. Here's a number 4 for flare. We got a charm, a snowflake charm. And then we got beads and little drops of snow. And then, of course, we see the bells in there. All right, this is cute, cute, cute. I mean, so many things to create with. Oh my goodness, Tamika, how am I gonna incorporate this stuff on one tag, girl? I love those doodads. All right, what is this? This is a bag, favor bag. So it's a stocking. I think this where the smell good is. I think I found it, y'all. Yeah, she put a sachet in there and it smells so good. And then I could use this little bag. Oh, this is too cute. I love that. Thank you, Tamika. All right, what else do we have down in here? She sent me some stickers and tags. Okay, let's explore this. This is a nice kit. I hope she likes my kit. I think I didn't hit the mark. All right, she sent me, I like these little bags that she got everything packaged in. These are cute. Okay, Tamika, you got to tell me where you got these from. Love these little bags. Oh, my goodness. Look at the truck with the tree. Honey, this done stole my heart. I like it. Tamika found some of the cutest little things. Oh, look at the reindeers. absolutely too cute. They glittered up. Oh, I love those. Thank you, Tamika. I like those. Then we had some Tim Holtz tags. Oh, thank you. Did you use the small little stickers for these? This is cute. Definitely will be using those. Thank you. 'Tis the season to be merry. I love it. This is a tag. You could just pop it onto a project. And then here's some clear stickers. All right. This is cute. Look at the card with the Christmas tree on the top. You got the typewriter. All right. So that's clear stickers. And then she gave me some word stickers. You probably can't not see these because they're white and they are like clear on the I think these are rub-ons. Yes, these are rub-ons. So she gave me a sheet of word rub-ons. Okay, thank you, ma'am. And then she sent me a self-laminating card. Cute. Never seen this, never played with it. I will like to explore this. Read the instructions. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Gave me something new. Introduced me to something. And then we were to send paper for the project. The only thing we did not send, we get to choose what shape we want to create, what shape tag, right? But everything else was sent in the kit, and you use everything from the kit, right? All right, let's look. We got black and white poker paper. We got the buffalo red and black plaid. Oh, this took my words. I like this one. I think this is my favorite. We got black, white, and like a gray and a tan plaid. We got the Santa hat. Oh, look at the hollies in gold, white, and black. Love this. Then we got a sheet of gold. And we got the wood grain, the trees in the back. I love that. And then we have a sheet of numbers all the way to 25. Love that. So this is perfect for like a December daily to make sure you have the day of the month on every page. That's good to have. Love this plaid, red, black, and like an off-white. Really like that. Look at the trees, a night scene, season greetings. And then we have red, black, and white stripes with the red glitter. Oh, Facet, Candy Factory, Home, Merry Home. Then we got a little event card. These are cute. These can go too good in a December daily. North Pole News. And then we have the last sheet with just strips of various styles, strips of various things. Merry and bright, let it snow. So this is the paper that I will be using to design my shape gift tag. This is the kit. Listen, we gonna kick it off on December the 6th, 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. Y'all come check us out. Tamika should already have my kit. You can go over to her channel. It will be linked in the description box. She also did a kit reveal today. And so you can go over and see what I included in her kit. Girl, you did this kit, honey. Baby, you knocked it out the park. Tina don't know what to say. Tina don't know what to do. I got so many ideas going through my mind now. Baby, let me tell you, I'm going to enjoy this kit. So, all of this yumminess is here. Stop by, y'all, on the 6th of December to see our first project reveal. Again, we'll be here for the next 3 months, sharing kits and making projects. December, January, and February. Come hang out with your girls. Till next time, y'all stay blessed. Wash them hands 15 minutes apart. Hot water and soap. and continue to create. Love y'all. See y'all on the 6th.